Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get a free ball pack. I mean not free, but is you can exchange with your founder points that you can get from last season. And I give you an example. Tap the club, tap the locker room, and this one ball. So you can get more of the ball by going to the store. Go to the store. Let's get back to main page. Tap the store, and as you can see there are some options here from recommended until this FC point and gems, division rifles, live event, welcome to FC mobile, and this one founders. This is that I want to show you. Souvenir ball pack, EA Sport blue and white, hashtag 2. You can get this souvenir ball pack, unlock new ball, buy trade with this, exchange with this, only 50 of founders point that you can be earned from season transition and used to acquire this pack. So if you get bored with the regular balls, you can get this souvenir ball pack. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. Enjoy the game.